In 2021 alone, I have accrued over 137 million views on my YouTube channel, and according to socialblade.com, I earn between $11,000 and $180,000 a month on YouTube revenue. But is that true? What's going on, y'all? Attorney Tom here. I am making one of the notorious how much money I make on YouTube type of videos because I am starting a new series, Passive Income Starting from Zero. As many of y'all know, a few years ago, I decided to start my own law firm. And anytime I've made money with my law firm, I have put it back into the law firm in order to grow the law firm. So I don't own anything passive. I don't own any stocks. I don't own any real estate investment properties. I don't own anything passive until now. And even though YouTube isn't necessarily passive because I'm actively making this video, I am creating this series to elaborate on additional streams of income. I'm a big consumer of the finance YouTube niche. Creators like Graham Stephan, Andre Jokai, Meet Kevin, CoffeeZilla. I watch their videos all the time, but the biggest problem I have with the passive investor finance guys is when they started their channel, they already had hundreds of thousands of dollars in investments. And getting from $0 to $100,000 is definitely the hardest. So all that to say, this series is going to be a finance series, and it's going to be about alternate streams, passive streams of income. It will not cover my primary source of income, which is my law firm. So starting with passive income stream number one, content, YouTube and TikTok. As many of y'all know, I was a TikToker in my former life. The first thing I did when I started getting some serious traction with my content a couple years ago is I created a media company, AttorneyTom LLC. This is not my law firm. This is a media company that owns all of my digital assets, such as my YouTube channel, my TikTok, my Instagram, those sort of things. That's the best structure for me because it protects me from potential liabilities and it allows me to use the funds that I generate as revenue as a business. I can take business expenses. I have no intention of taking a profit from my content in the short term. All the money I make from my videos, I'm putting back into my videos. I have gotten brand new equipment. I've built a new set. I plan on using the money I get to go travel to places to talk about interesting subjects, to make content worthy of your time. So over the past few years or so, my short form video content was almost exclusively on TikTok. But let me tell you a little secret. TikTok doesn't pay you anything. And I amassed hundreds of millions of views on TikTok as well. But I have since converted all my energy to YouTube. And the reason why I have grown so much on YouTube in the past 3 months or so is because I have literally just ported my entire TikTok portfolio onto YouTube Shorts. But YouTube Shorts is not monetizable. So the majority of my 137 million views comes from the Shorts, but I have made $0 on that. So it's time to answer the final question. How much money did I make from 137 million views on YouTube? And that answer is $7,415. And I know a lot of y'all are thinking that's not a whole lot of money considering the amount of views I got, but it's been a fantastic experience. First of all, the YouTube Shorts has allowed my subscriber count to grow and our community to grow. So as individuals find me through Shorts, they come and they watch my longer form videos. Also, my longer form videos are getting so much better. I'm having so much more fun making them, and it's only going to keep trending upward. Each month that I've received an AdSense paycheck for, which has only been like 2 months, is growing and growing and growing. So who knows where it will stop, but I'm very, very happy with our progress right now. And it seems like every single day more and more revenue generating opportunities from the content itself present itself. I have people reaching out all the time to do sponsored content. I've not taken a single sponsor so far in my media content creation career because I am a lawyer. That is my day job. Again, this whole thing kind of happened as a fluke, but if the right sponsor comes along, I will consider taking it. I just haven't been a sellout yet because I'm not gonna sell my brand or attach myself to something for an insignificant amount of money. But as we continue to grow, that money gets higher and higher and higher. And if I'm involved in any deals, I'll tell y'all my thinking with it, how I negotiated the contract, how I did sort of the legal stuff. Because while I can't give you legal advice, I can share with y'all how I think about contract negotiations and things like that. So maybe you guys can learn just from my personal situation. And I'm not really sure how realistic this is, but I have set a goal that 36 months from today, 3 years from now, I want to be making $10,000 a month with my content. And yeah, that might be a stretch, but I'm going to work my butt off to get it there. And again, that's revenue. I am always talking about revenue, not profit. I have no intention of taking profits anytime soon. I'm going to keep on making better and better content for y'all. Side note, that's also a really pet peeve of mine. There are a lot of really great finance YouTubers who I respect. I pretty much listed them, but there's also a lot of really fake ones who don't know the difference between revenue and profit, and they say they make all this money, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, okay, dude, you might have a 7-figure business, but your entire business has no profit. Just these past few years from starting my own law firm, I have realized how freaking hard it is to make money. And I want to create a open and honest and truthful and realistic series for y'all. And I want you guys to help me just as much as I hopefully am helping you. I want you guys to leave comments, questions, concerns. I want you to tell me I'm being dumb if I invest in something or think about investing in something that is dumb. I want this to be a back and forth. And speaking of potentially investing in something dumb, let's move on to investment stream number 2, real estate. I recently went to Starbase, Texas. I am looking at potentially buying land in Starbase, Texas because I think it has great upside potential. This would be my first ever real estate investment property, and I have a video about that being released tomorrow. So please, I ask that you watch it and tell me if I'm just being a total dumbass and I need to put my investment money somewhere else. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave any comments, questions, concerns down below. I'll be sure to get to them. Check out my Reddit forum, r/AttorneyTom. I'm starting to do Reddit React videos because y'all are posting so many great and funny questions on my Reddit page. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to be a part of this community. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, thanks.